What a time to be alive. This is my Palmetto State Armory 10.5-inch Shockwave AR Pistol build kit. This came in the mail. I didn't have to go to a store to pick it up, except for this Anderson lower, which I picked up from NW Armory. And then inside the box, we have the completed upper, which includes the bolt carrier group and charging handle. And then inside that clear bag is all of the parts necessary to build out the lower. And so I put together a time-lapse video to show you how it went. So the build went pretty well. And all in all, it actually went very, very well. I learned a lot of things along the way, including all of those springs and detents are under extreme pressure. And if you don't have your fingers on the right spots, they will shoot out onto the ground, into your chest, in the garage somewhere. I had to find those many times, as well as go out to a local parts shop and pick up an AR Oops kit. So big thanks to Oregon Rifle Works in Tigard, Oregon. Again, all in all, the build was pretty smooth, and here's what it looks like. Now we're going to take it to the range. It performed as I expected it to. 0 failures to feed, failures to eject. All ammunition, both 62 grain and 55 grain, performed flawlessly. Both at the prone with the 30-round magazine and also standing with the 10-rounder, both cycled perfectly.